How to embed media and files in Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity tool that lets you create, organize, and collaborate on content. A key feature is its ability to embed apps, videos, and interactive content directly into pages. This guide covers the types of content you can embed and how to use them to boost productivity and streamline workflows. So let's start. First is images. Notion allows users to easily add, resize, and arrange images in various formats. Images can be added by dragging and dropping or uploading as a block. To add an image block, click the plus sign in the left margin or type image. Users can upload from their computer or embed via URL. Images can also be hyperlinked by selecting the options menu, 3 dots, choosing Add Link, and pasting a URL or linking to a Notion page without creating a backlink. You can also add images to Notion databases and display them as a gallery by using the Files and Media property. This allows you to upload images from your computer or embed them via a URL. Images can be added by dragging them into database cards, table cells, or galleries. Additionally, images can be inserted into the body of any database page using the image command or drag and drop. Second is files. Notion allows you to store and share files easily, including adding them to database pages. To do this, add the Files and Media property to your database. You can upload or embed files by clicking on this property in a database page or by dragging files into table cells, board cards, or gallery views. Files will then appear in the corresponding page's Files field. Third is videos. To upload videos in Notion, click the plus sign icon or type Video to add a video block. You can embed a video by selecting Embed Link, pasting the share URL, and clicking Embed Video. Alternatively, simply paste a streaming service URL and select Create Embed from the menu. Lastly, audio. To add audio from streaming platforms, click the plus next to a new line and select Audio or type Audio. Then, choose Embed Link and paste the track or playlist URL. Alternatively, paste the URL directly and select Create Embed. And that's basically how to embed media and files in Notion. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.